We're going to continue with some examples about scientific notation, and if you aren't sure how scientific notation works, you should go back and watch the previous video. So our question here says write in scientific notation. So the first number I have here is 8 million. So it's an 8 with 6 zeros. And I want to try to write that in scientific notation. So scientific notation is a shorter way of writing your numbers. And what we're essentially doing is we're going to try to write this as a smaller number times a power of 10. So what we do is we look at our number, and we could break it up into 8 times and then a million, and then try to figure out what a million is as a power of 10. But we did talk about a shortcut in the previous video, which is you identify where the decimal place is, and in a number like this, it would be at the end. We're going to count how many places it takes for us to move the decimal so that it is after the very first digit in the number. So right there. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I moved it 6 times. So my new number is going to be 8. That's what the number is. I could write 8.0 or 8.00, but I don't really want to have all the zeros. And then times 10 to the power of 6. If I take a look at the next number, that's a really big one. I don't think I want to read that out. What I'm going to do, same thing. I'm going to move the decimal place until it ends up being in front, just behind the very first digit. And I'm going to count how many times I did that. So the decimal should start here. So I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 spots. So this is going to be the number 3.421, and then I don't want all the zeros, but I do want the non-zero digits. And then times 10 to the power of 15. And that's how we write something in scientific notation.